really their mortuary today.
Wow, Arthur!
Happy mortuary, congratulations.
Jay and Sinango are binibining strippers first. Sinango.
Congratulations! Kaya namin our Philippines, Pilipinas, sir! Jay Ibanez!
Binibining Trippers International is from G7 James Alejandro Ortega.
Binibining International, Philippine number 29, James Pitao Alejandro Ortega.
There you have it, that is the Philippine 29. Our Cricket Filipinas International. Congratulations.
Binibining Trippers Filipinas World is Moby from G7.
Congratulations, Moby.
Wish mo yan.
This is it, ladies and gentlemen.
The grand winner to be awarded by J.P. Alejandro Ortega, our Philippine Cricket Filipinas 2012. So there you go. You may now proceed to announce the final winner.
Oh my God.
Before we announce the final winner, let me just give you the rundown of their points. The Supranational garnered an overall 89.32 cumulative points. Earth garnered 90.20. International garnered 92.71. The World garnered 92.24. And the Universe garnered 94.28.
So 2 points ang ating winner for tonight.
Binibining Trippers Filipinas World is Universe is
Pinipili ang super
Congratulations to all the ladies.
And again, judges, thank you for your time and effort to witness who will be the next queen of Trippers Philippines. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts.
And of course, to our audience tonight, you have been a wonderful audience. And in behalf of the organizers, I am Nicole Moreno.
And again, my name is Miss Panama Maria Alejandro Ortega.
And my name is Stefana Cruz, and let me present you your queen for 2014. Palakpakan nyo naman sila.
See you next year for
Binibining Trippers
Pilipinas 2015.